keep forgetting to hit record. Pretty much primed it for a while. Plugged in the distributor and injectors and spark plugs, and she fired right up. Letting her idle for a while, see if there's any leaks. Checking temperature, bleeding coolant. A little nervous, but it's all good. We'll see how it goes. Excuse the interior. I have yet to do that part of the build, but just checking out. Check engine light went off. See how it goes. Not sure what this noise I hear is. We'll see if it goes away over time. I'm not sure. Bumpers are still rattling. I tried putting duct tape over it, but we'll see how it goes. Still stock GSR tune. Scheduled to get a tune on Wednesday. A couple days.